Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a device care widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then touch and hold on the home screen. At the bottom here, tap on widgets. Next, you might want to swipe across and find the device care folder. Tap on it. In here, there are two different types of widgets. One is the Optimize Now button, so I can tap it onto the home screen. And then there is another one which shows you the storage and the memory information of your device. So we can touch and hold and drag it onto the home screen. So you can see here, one is a small widget which allows you to quickly tap on it to optimize the memory on your device. And then there is an extended widget which shows you the storage space, the memory available on your device, and a optimize button. There is also a refresh button at the bottom here. So if I tap on the optimize now button, you can see it does like some magic things on the background, and it will optimize your phone so that the memory is clean up and allowing your phone to perform faster. And I'm going to delete now. Now you can also touch and hold to the widgets, then tap on settings. In settings, you can change the background color, and you can also change the transparency of your widget. And then you can tap on save to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.